Hello, this is the We Create Online Courses podcast. I'm Till Carlos. I'm here with my co-founder, Tom Liebelt. Today we're discussing the question, do we handle marketing as well as course creation? And the official answer right now is no. We have thought about it for a long time, and some people have told us we should do it, and there are enough companies out there doing that, but we decided not to. So we just quickly want to discuss why that is. And Tom, what's the main reason for this?
Well, the main reason is that it's a separate business than what we do. And also, we don't like people telling us what to do. I mean, that's why we're in business of our own, right? But it's a whole different business than creating courses. And yeah, I mean, I do it with a partnership from before, but it's a business of its own, right? Like, it's not something that just happens, you know, like the course will not wake up and start selling itself. Like, it takes a lot of work to get that part done. And yeah, you can have the strategy, which we sometimes help with, or set up the funnel and things go well. But, you know, there's a lot of tweaking involved and a lot of thinking each step of the way. So we just find that other people maybe should focus on that, not us.
Yeah, and it involves a lot of times the influencer or the teacher in this case. So for other companies, the client. And as there are so many dependencies on one person, it makes the whole process much more cumbersome and heavy. So what we saw out there, if you see something like Masterclass or some Australian companies, they do the whole marketing. They do everything, and they basically have full control over it. For the niche we are serving, there's more involvement from the actual influencer, and that makes the whole process just more difficult. So take it away from that person and multiply the price by 10. That could work. We decided not to do it, just to leave more, to have the influencer do more of this work and hire the right people inside their team, which we think is a better solution.
Yeah, you hit on a very important point. The way we structure things now, and one of our big selling points is that when we create the course, you are a complete owner of that course, 100% owner. We do not take revenue share or hold any of the assets. The moment we start talking about revenue share or marketing your course, we want to own at least 50 or 51% of whatever we're helping with. And that really goes against our mission statement. I think that's one of the main reasons too why we decided not to do it.
Yeah, basically you would be left with something that might work, but where there's no control left for you as the client, which we have seen in other businesses that seem to work. It's just a different model. It gives a different feel. So if you want to control your own things, you want to have your own course, maybe stack another one on top of it later, sell bundles, all these things you can just do by yourself without having the need to ask the partner for permission. So I think this is a selling point that we have here.
However, we do help pre-sell courses. So we help make sure that you make money before you even create the course, if you choose to go that route. And that is something we do offer, but it's something before the course is done. So there is no ownership or anything involved on anyone's part. We just help you pre-sell and see, okay, you made the money now, you got to create the course. And then you either choose to do it with us or by yourself, but we can help in that step. And that step is very important.
Yeah, and we do this to reduce the risk for you. So you don't need to create a course which costs you a couple of $1,000 to make and then to launch. We offer you the solution that you actually know if it works or not, and then you can pivot, you can change it, you can try it again. So I think we do this to reduce the risk and to help you actually make a business out of this.
I think that's pretty much it. That wraps it up.
Yeah, if you have questions, hit us up on wecreateonlinecourse.com in the contact form, and then we can discuss your questions.